Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel OrderTech. I am just recording this video after a long gap because most of the times I am spending on learning new technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today onwards I am going to upload video about my journey. That is, it's a small documentation what I am learning day by day for get into AI and ML. Basically today I am going to show you that is for artificial intelligence and machine learning. I just have a syllabus and I just divided syllabus into multiple phases. So first phases I'm just preparing for writing Python codes. I'm spending a lot of time on Python. So today I'm going to show you that is for the writing code and execute code. I'm just using VS Code and Anaconda. In Anaconda package, in Anaconda Navigator, I'm just getting a lot of packages including Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and many more. So basically, for the mathematical analysis I'm using uh, Jupyter Book. Otherwise I just exploring Google Colab also. Along with that, Rappel IT and many one more framework is there. And the time being I will show you everything. So today we are just going to see that how we are going to install Anaconda package and run code inside of the Jupyter Notebook. For that, you just go to the Google Chrome and type Anaconda install package. Here you will get a few pages, so you have just click on that. So here you just find download Anaconda, you just click on that. Here you can get a page of where you will do a registration, but we don't need any kind of registration. Just click on skip registration. So if you are using Windows operating system or Mac OS or Linux operating system, here is the application both of the different format of OS. So I'm just using Windows operating system, so I just click on here download. I have already downloaded this package, so now we are just run the package. Here is the package, so I'm just going to run this package. It will take few minutes. So here we are going to click on next, click on I agree. I'm just installing for me, so I just click on just me, next. Within few seconds it will be installed. For today onwards, each day I am going to uploading video about the journey of AI ML. And AI ML, along with that artificial generative intelligence, that is AGI, which is also trending in right now in all over India. There is a lot of job openings on AGI also, so you can learn AGI also. Let it be installed. So I'm just going to show you something, that is where I'm pursuing my AI ML course. So simply I'm just purchasing a course of Chris Rare. He is the one of famous guider and one of the finest guider in data domain. So let me show you. Let me log in inside of my let me putting my code. Here you can search. You can find 3 courses of Chris sir in Udemy. So I'm just enroll this one, and JNI application building 12 hours hands-on project. I just purchased both of these. Then one more guider is there, whose name is Nitish Singh, and his channel is Campus X. Here you can enroll just Campus X DSMP 2.0. Otherwise, you can also buying this one. Otherwise, if you want to learn for free, then go to his YouTube channel, Campus X. And one free resources I am going to share with you. Here you just get a free trial of 10 days, so you will learn from here for the free. You will explore this platform orally. You can find a lot of good books and courses over here. Okay, it will be take time. So for the writing codes, then we'll go to the another platform. That should be Google Colab. You can write code here, and you can explore the Google Colab by self. Then one more thing I am going to share with you. It's Repel IT. So let's log in inside of the Repel IT. Here you can learn by role and learn by skill. So Just click on that. Get started. Suppose you just want to become a machine learning engineer, then you have to click on this. Here you can choose all of the skill according you, whatever the require for the machine learning and all this. Suppose I am just choosing machine learning, natural language process, NumPy, Pandas, NoSQL database, PyTorch, reinforcement learning, this one statistics, TensorFlow, SQL, unsupervised learning, time series, web scraping, prompt engineering, generative AI, GPT, deep learning, artificial intelligence AI, and mathematics. So let's see. Here you can see a lot of course adding in my profile. Here you can check one of the course. This is 27 plus hours video. These are the few contexts where you are going to learning in this course. So you just simply do one thing, like open account here and learn for free 10 days. Then after 10 days your account will be expired. So let's see the Anaconda. It will take more few minutes. You can also write code in VS Code. Over there you can install Jupyter Notebook. For the Python practice, I am sharing one more resources. That should be Kaggle. This is the Kaggle certification that should be on Python, and you have to learn about basic Python. You will get exercise where you have to solve the question over here. I have already completed 98% over here. Then you can see a lot of competitions are going on in Kaggle. You can learn great thing from here in Kaggle. It will take few more minutes. So today I'm just sending this video here. The next part I'm going to show you, that is how to write code inside of the Jupyter notebook and basic Python. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.